Today's English story. Tom took the wrong bus. Uh-oh, I hope I don't get lost. Tom, are you sure this is the right bus?
I think so. Let's go.
Great! We got on just in time. Tom, where is this bus going?
I'm not sure. I didn't check.
Tom, I think we're on the wrong bus. Oh no! What should we do? Excuse me, is this bus going to Central Station?
No, this bus goes to Riverside.
Oh no! I took the wrong bus!
Don't worry. We'll figure it out.
You can get off at the next stop.
Thank you very much.
Where are we? I don't know. Let's check the map. Excuse me, can you help us?
Of course. Where do you want to go?
We're trying to get to Central Station.
I can help you. This looks like the right bus.
Yes, we made it! Thanks for helping me, Emma.
That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for.
Always check the bus number before you get on. I'll remember that next time. Look! I can see Central Station!
We're almost there.
Central Station. This is your stop.
Thank you! We finally made it!
See? We solved the problem together.
What did you learn today? Always check the bus number before you travel.
Let's learn some English from today's story.
Repeat after us.
Can you help me? Use this when you need help. Thank you very much.
Always be polite. Quiz time!
Which sentence is correct?
Time's up!
The correct answer is A. Can you help me?
Next question. What should you check before getting on a bus? What should you check before getting on a bus? The answer is A. Bus number.
Great job if you got it right.
Last question.
What do you say when someone helps you?
The correct answer is B. Thank you.
Excellent! You're learning fast.
Today I learned to always check the bus number and never be afraid to ask for help. Emma, should we take the train now?
Only if you check the platform first. Ready for our next English adventure?
See you in the next episode.